Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip, this one on fruit tree pollination. Pollination is important for all plants, and in the garden especially for fruit crops. After the flowers are pollinated, the seeds can develop that will grow into the next generation of plants, and the fruit we like to eat contains the seeds. No pollination, no fruit. Flowers come in all shapes and sizes, but all contain the same bits as this apple blossom. The pollen is the yellow powdery stuff that bees pick up. They dive into the centre of the flower to collect both nectar and pollen for food. Pollen provides the male genes. The stigma collects pollen grains brought by visiting bees, and ultimately the male grains are combined with female genes so the seeds can form at the base of the flower. In the apple, the seeds are the pips inside the fruit that we eat. Many plants are self-fertile. This just means that the same plant or another of the same variety can provide both male and female genes and produce viable seed on its own. But many of the more common fruit trees, apples and pears for example, need a pollination partner. This is a different variety of the same fruit, say an apple tree, that flowers at the same time so that bees can take pollen from one to the other, and only then will the flowers be fertilised and the fruit develop. And what I'm going to do here is hand pollinate this apricot. Blossom is very important for bees at the beginning of this time of year, but it is still only early March. We've had some rain. There it is. It's very hard to do this and film at the same time. We've had rain, we've got wind, and it is by no means certain that the bees will get round to all this blossom this early in the year before it falls. So all I'm doing, you can see here, is I'm popping my cotton bud into the flower, wiggling it around to pick the pollen up just like the bee would, and then moving on to the next flower, doing the same, and that mimics the bee's action of moving pollen from one flower to the next. And the flowers are pollinated, they'll be fertilised, and I should get a good crop of apricots. There's more information about how the box of tricks can help you to plan, plant and look after your plot on my Gardening by Design website, where you can also buy topics and sign up for the newsletter. I hope to see you again soon. Happy gardening!